Creating categories in your Unleashed B2B store helps improve your customers' browsing experience, making it faster and easier for them to find and order the products they need. To get started, head to the Settings tab within your B2B portal admin. Here, you'll see the option to manage your product categories. If you've already set up product groups in Unleashed, you can save time by importing them as your initial B2B categories. Click Import to pull your product groups through. Each group will become a category, and any products assigned in Unleashed will be automatically included. Please note, this is a one-way import. Changes made in the B2B portal will not update your product groups in Unleashed. Each time you import, your existing B2B categories will be deleted and replaced with the current product groups from Unleashed. So only use this option if you're sure. If you want more control of your structure, you can create categories manually. Click Create, enter a name, and hit Create Category. Once created, hover over the category name to add a subcategory, rename, move, or delete the category. For example, you might create a top-level category called Finished Jam and a subcategory for Berry Jam and another for Savoury Jam. Now it's time to assign your products. Head over to the Products tab. Here you can assign a product to a category using the action cog next to it, or bulk assign multiple products by selecting them and using the bulk action cog. This makes it quicker to sort large product ranges into the right categories. Back in your B2B Storefront, you'll now see your categories appear in the navigation drop-down. This gives your customers an easier, more structured way to browse and shop, leading to faster orders and a better user experience. And finally, to showcase your most popular categories on your homepage to grab the attention of your customers when they log in, go to Store Settings, Homepage and Header, and toggle on Display Popular Categories. To choose the category you want to showcase, click Assign Popular Categories and select your categories. Drag the category to change the display order and add an image by clicking on the category and uploading from your files. Do note the preferred sizing to ensure they look clean and professional. And there you have it, all the ways to showcase your product categories in your B2B store. Explore more ways to customize your B2B portal by visiting the Unleashed help files or checking out the rest of our Academy videos. Thanks for watching.